God is saying to you today, my child, come closer, quiet your heart, and listen to me. You have been searching for peace in places that cannot hold you. You have been running, striving, worrying, trying to figure everything out on your own. But today, I want you to remember who I am to you. I am your shepherd. And because I am your shepherd, you lack nothing. Have you forgotten my word? The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. That is not just a verse. That is a promise. You may feel like you are lacking. You may feel like something is missing. But I tell you the truth. If you have me, you have everything you need. I see the way you worry about tomorrow. I see the pressure you feel to have it all figured out. I see the fear that whispers, what if things don't work out? But my child, why are you afraid when I am guiding you? A sheep does not worry about the path, because the shepherd already knows the way. And I know the way for you. I make you lie down in green pastures. Do you hear that? I don't just lead you, I make you rest. Because you have been pushing yourself too hard. You have been carrying burdens I never asked you to carry. You think rest is weakness, but rest in me is strength. I am calling you to slow down, to breathe, to trust that I am working even when you are still. I lead you beside still waters. You have been surrounded by noise, voices pulling you in different directions, fear, doubt, comparison, pressure. But I am leading you to stillness, not chaos, not confusion, peace. The kind of peace that quiets your mind, the kind of peace that reminds you you are safe with me. I restore your soul. I know you are tired, not just physically, but deep inside. There are wounds you don't talk about, battles you fight in silence, moments where you feel like giving up. But I am restoring you. Even now, as you listen to this, I am healing what you thought would never heal. I am renewing your strength. I am lifting your spirit. You are not broken beyond repair. I lead you in paths of righteousness for my name's sake. You've been asking, God, am I on the right path? And I say to you, if you are walking with me, you are never lost. Even when it feels uncertain, even when it feels slow, even when it doesn't make sense, I am ordering your steps. Trust me. Even though you walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Yes, you are in a valley right now. A season that feels dark. A place where answers seem far away. A moment where fear tries to take over. But listen carefully. You are walking through it, not stuck in it, not defeated by it, not buried in it. You are passing through. I am with you. That is the reason you don't have to fear. Not because the valley isn't real, but because my presence is greater than your fear. I am with you in the uncertainty. I am with you in the pain. I am with you in the waiting. You are not alone, not for a second. My rod and my staff, they comfort you. Even when you don't understand my correction, even when I redirect you, it is not to harm you. It is to protect you. I see dangers you cannot see. I close doors you don't understand, because I am leading you to something better. Trust my guidance. I prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemies. The same people who doubted you, the same situations that tried to break you, will witness what I am about to do in your life. You will not just survive, you will be honored, not because of who you are, but because of who I am in you. Your cup overflows. You have been living like you are empty, but I am about to overflow your life. Overflow with peace, overflow with provision, overflow with joy that cannot be explained. This is your season of abundance. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow you. Not sometimes, not when you feel worthy. Surely, goodness is chasing you, Mercy is chasing you. Even in your mistakes, even in your doubts, I have never stopped pursuing you. All the days of your life, not just today, not just when things are going well. All the days, in every season, in every high, in every low, I am faithful. And you will dwell in my house forever. You are not just passing through this life, you belong to me. You are mine, you are loved, you are chosen, and nothing, absolutely nothing, can separate you from my presence. So today, let go of your fear. Let go of your need to control everything. Let go of the weight you were never meant to carry, and rest in this truth. I am your shepherd. You lack nothing. Receive my peace. And walk forward knowing I am leading you every step of the way. If this message spoke to you, don't ignore it. Take a moment and write "The Lord is my shepherd" in the comment. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this message right now, and subscribe for more messages like this. God is with you, always.